so much, Miss Maui. Please follow me to the reception.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. Nice to meet you, Miss Alina. How can I help you with your booking?
Okay, good morning. I would like to book our reservation for next week and check the room first.
Yeah, sure. Let me check our availability for that one. Please give me 1 moment, please. So, thank you for waiting. Upon checking here, we have executive suite, room 305 available for July 10. Would you like to see the room now?
Yes, of course.
Wonderful. Bello will show you the room. Bello, could you take Maui to the room 305? Please wait, ma'am. Please follow me. Okay, ma'am, this is our room 305. This suite includes a king-size bed, a spacious living area, and then luxurious bathroom. It also offers a beautiful view of the sea. If you have any questions or need anything, please let us know.
No, thanks. The room looks perfect.
Okay, ma'am, let's proceed to the front desk to complete your booking.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, I would like to confirm the reservation for July 10.
Sure, I just need to get some details to complete your booking. May I have your ID and contact number, please?
Sure.
There you go. Thank you. Just give me 1 moment to complete your booking. There you go. Your reservation confirmed for July 10 executive suite room 305. So here is your booking confirmation. So is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a great day.